Hello you all, welcome back to another CVS video. So this is my CVS haul for the week of August 7th through to the 13th. So let's jump right in and show you guys what deals I did this week. So before I continue, I want to take this time out to welcome each and everyone to my channel. I want to thank all of my loyal subscribers for returning, and I also want to thank my new subscribers. Thank you guys very much. I really appreciate it. How are you guys doing this lovely Sunday afternoon? I hope you guys are doing great. Okay, so let's jump right into these deals. So for the Good Line products, I was contemplating on doing this product, but when I got to CVS this morning, I realized they're buy one get one 50% off. I had a 8 off of 2 Good Line razors, and I also had a 4 off of 1, so I decided to take advantage of that. So here is that receipt for both. One was $8.99 and the next one had 50%. I had a $4.50. There I had used that 8 off of 2, that 4 off of 1, and I had that 32 cents back from that beauty buck. So all I paid was $1.16 for these 2 razors, or 58 cents each. Not bad. Let's go to the second transaction. Okay, for this transaction, I got the Dove body wash. That's the new Dove, Body Love. Guys, if you haven't tried this yet, try it. So these are actually buy one, get one 50% off. And the Axe is also buy one, get one 50% off. Is it? Yeah, it's also buy one, get one 50% off. And it's on a promotion for when you spend $40, you get a $10 extra buck. Now, I wasn't gonna, well, it's not that I wasn't gonna do this deal, but I thought my store would have been empty because I went there like maybe after 1. So I figured at that time of the evening my store would have been empty, but lo and behold, there were a few stuff on the shelf. I had wanted the regular Dove body wash, but it was out. The store was out of that. So I took the next best thing, which is the Body Love. So let me show you guys this receipt. Actually, this subtotal, how much was this? I think $35.15. So here are the 4 Axe. One was $5.99. The second one was 50% off. And we got those BOGO coupons. Was it last week or the week before? And here's the Dove regular $10.79 and 50% off at $5.40. Now I used 2 of the $3 off one Dove glove. It came in what inserts? It was one of those safe inserts. For the Axe, the max value on that coupon is $8. My cashier took $8 off. Thank her very much. I had a 3 off of 18 fitness deodorant. It took only $1.96. That's fine. Then I rolled $6 in extra buck with this 13 cents from that 2% cash back. I was left to pay $4.05. And in return, I got, where is it? I had a 91% savings. Where is it? 91% savings. And I got $10 back for spending $50, making this transaction right here only a cost of 18 cents because I rolled $6.13, pay $4.05 out of pocket, so that's $10.18, and I got $10 back, making all 6 only 18 cents. Yes, whoop whoop. Let's go to the next transaction. Okay, this is the next transaction I did. The Oral-B, they are, what is it? It's $5.49. When you buy 2, you get a $5 extra buck with a limit of 2. The Crest, these are actually $3.99. Buy 2, is buy 2 get 5 or 3 get 5? Let me see. The Crest is buy 3 get 5, and it's a limit of 2. The Ajax is buy 1 get 1 50% off, and when you buy 2 you get a $2 extra buck. And the downy is, what's the price for the downy? Did I have the downy in that transaction? Nope, this downy does not belong there. Sorry guys. So I did the 2 Ajax, the 3 Crest, and the 4 Oral-B. So that subtotal $39.47. Let's show you the receipt. So here I had, let's start from up here. Crest, Ajax, Oral-B. So here I had a 6 off of 4 Crest digital. I also had a $2 digital that came off. $2 Oral-B digital. I had 2 $3 off 12 Crest scope. I rolled $22 in extra bucks. Paid $146 out of pocket. So that's $23.46 I paid, right? 10, 20, $23.46 out of pocket. And I got back 2 for doing the Ajax, 5 for doing the Crest, and 10 for doing the Oral-B. So I spent out 23, where am I? I spent out $23.46 and I got back $17 back. Make this transaction only $6 and change. And here I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's less than $1 per product, which is amazing. So let's move on to the next transaction. Okay, so there was nothing special on this transaction. The dial, these are 25% off. Also the Suave. So I had a 4 off of 2 Irish Spring, a $2 off 2 Irish Spring. I also had a 4 off of 25 body wash. I had some dial CRT, so I'm like, I'm gonna do this deal right now. So let me show you guys what I did. So two dial, these were 25% off. So these were what, $4 and change each. Yeah, it took $1.62 off. So $4 and change each. The Suave body wash was, I believe, about $1.17. The Irish Spring and the soft soap was regular price. So that subtotal $25.44. So I'm right at that mark to use the 4 off of 25. So after all of those coupons and CRTs were deducted, I paid $5.49 in extra bucks, paid $1.85 out of pocket. So all of this actually was a total of roughly $7 or $1 and change each. Not bad. The reason why I did this is I wanted to get these products, especially the pink and the purple dial, because of my Valentine's Day and Mother's Day baskets. Yes, guys, I said it. Valentine's Day and Mother's Day baskets. I'm making baskets as we speak. If you guys have not subscribed to my other channel, which is Collection Gifts by Marjorie, please go and subscribe. Go over to IG, subscribe to that. It's Collection Gifts by Marjorie, and I do gift baskets for every occasion. Yep, I do gift baskets for every occasion. So that's the reason why I wanted to get these, because I wanted the pink body wash. This is like that pinkish body wash also, which I want. Oh, my hands are ashy, which I wanted also. So as I said, there's nothing special with this, but $1 and change, that's good for me. So let's move on to the next transaction. So this is the next transaction. I did this on another card. I got 3 of the Crest and 4 of the Oral-B. That actually subtotal, where am I? Give me 1 second, guys. This actually subtotal, let's see. That's the 4 and the 2. $33.93, guys. Yep, $33.93. Let's come over here. I don't know why I keep talking without, I'm not showing you guys the receipt. So here's the receipt. Those are the 3 Crest, the 4 Oral-B, $2 for the Crest from the August P&G, 6 off of 2 Crest Digital, $2 Crest Digital, also glitch, $2 for the Oral-B. I had a 5 off of 20 Crest. $10 in extra bucks was rolled and paid $16.93 out of pocket. So I paid $16.93 in all. Let's see how much we got back. Remember what I said? 16, is it 16.63? Let's go back. Okay, $16.93 out of pocket. I had 82% savings. I don't know how they figure that. So $16.93 out of pocket. I got $5 back for doing the Crest and $10 back for doing the Oral-B. So I spent $16.93 for these. How much products? 7 products, and I got $15 back, making all of this only $1.93 for all 7 items. This is sweet. Let's go on to the final transaction. So for this transaction, I was trying to do the spend. What was it? Was it a spend 40? Did it spend 40? I think it's spend 40, get 10. And it's also buy one, get one 50% off. So let's show you all the receipts. So is this? No, that's not the receipt. Come on, guys. What am I doing? Hold on one second. Okay, here we go. So here I have the Downy. This was $6.99. The Secret, these are $7.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. And here is the Axe. Not the Axe, the Old Spice. These were $6.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. But when you spend $40, you get $10 in extra buck. So believe you me, guys, this is like $40 and change for all these, just what, 7 items, 3 Old Spice, 3 Secret, and 1 Downy. Yeah, $40.75. So now I use the $5 off 3 for the Old Spice that came in the August P&G. I also used the 5 off 3 for the Secret that also came in the P&G. I was hoping the Old Spice Digital would have glitched, but it did not. So only the Secret glitched. I had a 5 off a 30 purchase, which I got emailed to me. I rolled $20 in extra bucks and 18 cents and paid 55 cents out of pocket. So roughly I paid $20.73, $20.73, and I got $10 back, making this only, what did I say? Making this only $10.73 for all of these items, which is amazing. Don't you think this is amazing, guys? So with that being said, if you guys have these, well, I know you all have the Crest Digital on your card. I suggest you guys do this deal quick because it's going to be gone, because it's a good deal. And if you have a lot of CRTs, make it much sweeter. Also, the BOGO coupon for the Axe, I believe, did that one expire yet? No, I think it's the one for the Dove. I believe that expired, was it the 31st of July? I believe it's the 31st. If your store accepts expired coupon up to a certain date, you could do this deal, because remember, guys, Dove is a high-end product. A lot of people are buying Dove, and if you guys are making gift baskets, get these Dove, guys, because Mother's Day is coming up. Yep, Mother's Day is coming up. Valentine's Day is coming up. Christmas is coming up. So just get ready. Don't wait until the appointed holiday. Then you're going to be like running around looking for gifts to do. No. If you're a gift basket maker, start preparing from now. Now is the time. Don't wait until it's too late before you try to shop, and then when you go to shop, you cannot get any products. All right? With that being said, guys, enjoy the rest of your evening. Have a safe and productive week, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.